Let's go with the flow today. Open the body, calm the mind, and feel lighter through this quick flow. My name is Michelle, and thank you for joining me for Yoga Bliss. Let's begin at the top of the mat, mountain pose. So we'll take 3 deep breaths here to connect that mind with that body. Pressing strong into those feet. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, send the palms down. Opening through that chest. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Filling the body with the breath. Inhale. Exhale. And to inhale. And exhale. One more here. Inhale. Exhale. And to inhale. And exhale. Deepen breath. Arms overhead. Exhale. Let's reach up and over to that left side. Press strong through that right foot. Feel that length through the right side of the body. Back through center. Inhale. Exhale. Up and over to that right side. Inhale to center. Exhale, take a gentle forward fold. Body is heavy. Halfway up, maybe hands to blocks or shins. Length through that back. Exhale, release. Gently roll up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We'll go through 2 more sun salutations like that. Inhale, shoulders forward. Exhale, down and back. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, take that gentle forward fold. Halfway up. Inhale. Exhale, release, forward fold. Gently roll up, feeling through that back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shoulders forward. Inhale. Exhale, down and back. Arms overhead. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway up. Inhale. Exhale, release those hands. Find down dog. Maybe pedaling through those feet. Crease of the elbows to the top of the mat. And deepen breath here, pressing that chest towards the thighs. Exhale, let's release the knees to the mat. Inhale, crown of the head, tailbone to the sky. Exhale, press away from the earth, rounding out the back. And inhale. Space between those shoulders. Exhale, opening up through the back of the heart. One more here. Inhale. And exhale. Back to center. Tuck those toes under. Send your hips up high into your down dog. Option 1, stay here. 2, send that right leg to the sky. 3-legged dog. Exhale, step the foot through to the hands. Find warrior 1. Back foot angles in. Inhale, send the arms overhead. Exhale. Opening up through that heart space, palms facing out. We'll gently flow forward and back, feeling through that back. Inhale, reaching forward. And to exhale, opening up through that heart space. And again. Inhale. And to exhale. One more here. Inhale. And to exhale. Reach the arms behind you, maybe hands to opposite elbows, or clasping those hands, sending the arms towards that back leg, opening up your heart space. Inhale, exhale, release, humble warrior. Press away from the earth, supporting our joints. Inhale, exhale, release those hands. Come onto the ball of your back foot. Release that foot back, coming into down dog. Option 1, stay here. 2, send that left leg to the sky. 3-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale, step the foot through to the hands. Find your warrior 1. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, opening those arms up from those shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, reaching forward. It's almost like we're moving through water here. Inhale. Heart space open. Exhale. One more here. Inhale and exhale. And inhale. Exhale, release the arms behind you. Find your humble warrior. Press strong through those feet. Inhale, exhale, release. Deepen breath. Exhale, release those hands. Let's step back through down dog. Inhale, exhale, release the knees to the mat. Let's work through cat-cows 3 more times. Inhale, crown of the head, tailbone to the sky. And exhale, navel to the spine. So allowing ourselves to feel through the body, noticing what you're feeling. Inhale, and exhale. And allowing that breath to wash over the mind and body. Inhale, and exhale. Back to center, tuck those toes under, send your hips up high, down dog. On the inhale, sending that right leg to the sky, 3-legged dog. Exhale, step the foot through to the hands. Find your warrior 1 to 2 or high lunge to warrior 2. Inhale and exhale. Always checking that front knee, send it back towards those baby toes. Feel the power, that strength through the legs, through those feet. From here, flip those palms so they face out. We'll reach that left arm towards that right. Inhale, leaning into that right side. Exhale, straighten through. Root deeply through those feet. And again, inhale. And exhale. One more here. Inhale. And exhale. Back to that warrior 2. Flip that right palm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, reverse. Feeling through that right side of the body. Windmill those arms down. Frame that front foot, come onto the ball of your back foot. Release that foot back, find your down dog. Inhale, left leg to the sky. Exhale, step that foot through. Coming up, high lunge or warrior 1. Inhale, exhale, find your warrior 2. Press that left knee back. Flip those palms so they face out. Reach that right arm to that left. Inhale, exhale, straighten through that leg. Maybe you're following that arm with the head. Inhale and exhale. One more here. Inhale and exhale. Back to that warrior 2. Flip that left palm to the sky. Inhale, exhale, reverse. Windmill those arms down. Sit back into down dog. Inhale, exhale, release those knees down. Let's work through some cat-cows once again. Press away from the earth. Inhale. Exhale, rounding out the back. Feeling through that back. Inhale. And exhale. Always allowing the movement to ride on the breath. Inhale. And exhale. Gently back to center. Let's walk our knees forward. Coming onto those sit bones. And we'll come into a forward fold. Maybe propping those hips up with a blanket or bolster. Let's find length in that spine. Inhale. Exhale, gently release forward. So you take that stretch as deep as you want to go. Allowing the body to feel heavy. Let that head drop. Inhale and exhale. Settling into those legs, into the hips. Noticing what you're feeling in the body. A moment of stillness and of quiet. And to inhale, exhale, gently roll up. Keep that left leg extended, bring that right foot flat. Let's find a twist here. Find that length in the spine first. Inhale, exhale, release the right fingertips to the back of the mat. Send chest to thigh, thigh to chest, find that length. Send the heart forward and out. And to inhale, and to exhale, settling into the legs, into those hips. Allowing the mind to settle and to be calm. Tuning into the body. Inhale. Exhale back through center. Release that right leg ahead of you. Bring that left foot flat. Find that length here. Inhale. Exhale. Release left fingertips to the back of the mat. Chest to thigh, thigh to chest. Neck always in line with that spine. Deep in breath. And exhale. And inhale. Exhale gently back through center. Let's release our feet forward, flat to the mat. Take a gentle reach here. Inhale. Exhale. Gently make your way down. Let's bring those knees towards heart center. A little bit of a squeeze. Maybe the knees drop slightly. Some gentle rocks here. Gently back to center. Maybe head towards those knees. Inhale and exhale. Release the head, release the legs. Find your version of Shavasana. Allowing ourselves to settle into the body, to drop into the body. We are all capable of finding that space for peace, calm, and stillness that lies within us. Embrace all of it. Connect inwardly to your true self. Inhale peace, exhale calm. Let's take a deep in breath here. And exhale. Just slowly begin to find movement in hands and feet, fingers and toes, slowly blinking the eyes open. When you feel ready, bringing the feet flat, finding some gentle sways. And we'll make our way to our side of choice. Take that pause. And gently make your way up into your version of easy seat. On the inhale, send the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. May we allow ourselves to carry this sense of calm and flow throughout our day. Always grateful to our bodies for allowing us to move into practice. I'm grateful to share this practice with you. The light within me acknowledges the light within me. Thank you for practicing with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, or like below. I would love to connect with you. Have a beautiful day.